welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Yes, this message is coming a little later than normal, but Robin and I actually did our shopping this morning because we have prior commitments tomorrow, which is Sunday. Yeah. So, and we had to go at 9 or later because I had a prescription to pick up and the pharmacy opens at 9. Yes, so our pharmacy is at Bel Air. So that's why this message is later. Plus, Robin and I went over to Marysville to the local spicery. And we picked up some goodies. And we got to meet the owners. They got to meet us. We had a great conversation. It was the first time we had met. And it was Robin's first time at the local spicery. Yes, we picked up Spanish paprika, a Belizean jerk spice blend. Oops. It is very tasty, and yes, it's got a kick. I picked up some Saigon cinnamon. I'll be using this on Monday in the streusel cake that I'm doing. And we picked up some smoked paprika, also known as sweet paprika. And they were kind enough to give us this little packet, a sample of called Dawn. It's sweet and sophisticated. This is very tasty. We think this would also go well in not just yogurt, but on a frozen yogurt or even like vanilla ice cream. There's some good uses for this. And a salacious salt substitute. This is very tasty. It's very light. Yeah, so yeah, look for those in the future from us. So last night, I prepared garlicky lemon oven-baked tilapia. What did I do? Oh, a wild rice blend, which was actually a Lundgren, or how do you say it, dear? Lundgren. Yes. Lundberg. That's right. That's why I have her. And I did a carrot. I'm doing corn tomorrow. A carrot and peas that I sauteed, some diced shallot and some garlic. Yeah, and it was good. That was a fun meal. I'll get the recipe up for the tilapia. Today, I'm putting that Spanish paprika to use. I'm doing German goulash over hand-smashed potatoes. Let's get to it. Got the Dutch ovens up and ready. We're using stew meat. That's about 1.5 pounds-ish of stew meat. A little bit of olive oil. I'm using Apothic red wine. Of course, there's garlic, some beef stock, sliced up yellow onion, some tomato paste, some bay leaf, the local spicery paprika from Spain, some kosher salt, some black pepper, and the hand-smashed potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, some heavy cream, and probably a couple tablespoons or so of sour cream. And of course, some salt, pepper, and some So that is what's on the menu for this evening. Super simple, and really not going to heat up the kitchen. Nah. The goulash will simmer for over an hour on low. Oh, this house, we were discussing this in the car on the way back from the local spicery, that first we're going to have the aroma of sauteed onions and garlic, and then it's going to transition into the paprika and marjoram. I forgot that there's a marjoram going on in there. Yeah. All right. On this Saturday, I know I say this almost every day for the last week. Stay cool, hydrate, but have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.